Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the channel you want to modify and going straight to channel settings. Click Permissions. You do this now so changes apply only where intended. Next, pick the role or individual you'll edit, roles first if you manage groups. Once selected, scan the current allowed and denied toggles to spot conflicts. Make sure to note overwrites from parent categories because those affect the channel. This first step puts you in the right place to make precise permission edits. Now you change the actual permissions. Toggle allow for needed capabilities and deny for ones you want blocked. You should start with role level settings so many users inherit consistent rules, then apply member overwrites only when exceptions are needed. Remember that higher roles override lower ones, so adjust hierarchy if a permission still behaves unexpectedly. Once done, test with a non-admin account or preview role to confirm the experience matches intent. This middle phase shapes precise behavior for users in the channel. Finish by saving your edits and verifying them with a test account or role preview so you see real behavior. If something remains blocked, make sure the parent category or server-level permissions aren't inheriting a deny that overrides your channel settings. Once done, document the changes and communicate them to users. If it still fails, reset the channel overwrites and reapply only the essentials to isolate the conflict. That single troubleshooting step usually reveals where a hidden deny came from.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.